Unlock the secrets of graphic design mastery and income generation as we unveil insights from the Graphic Design Idea Book. Discover inspiration from design legends now! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert Design Enthusiasts. Today's video, dedicated to the marvels of the Graphic Design Idea Book, inspiration from 50 masters, is a beacon for aspiring and experienced designers alike. Stay with us until the end for a deep dive into priceless insights and inspiration from design legends and start turning these creative sparks into financial gains. The Graphic Design Idea Book is a treasure trove of inspiration for any aspiring or professional graphic designer. The book is filled with examples and insights from 50 acclaimed graphic design masters spanning different styles, techniques, and eras. Let's start our journey with this book. It's not just about admiring great works, it's about learning from them. Each page, each design, holds a lesson that can be applied to your own work. This is how you start fueling your creativity. One of the main lessons from this book is the art of storytelling through design. The book teaches us that every design should tell a story. If your design can narrate a tale, it will captivate the audience and leave a lasting impression. The book also highlights the importance of color. It shows us how the masters use color to evoke emotions, to highlight a feature, or to set a mood. Experiment with different color palettes and shades to see how they transform your designs. Typography is another key aspect emphasized in the book. The right font can make or break a design. It's not just about choosing a beautiful font. It's about finding the one that fits the message and tone of your design. The book doesn't overlook the importance of simplicity. Some of the most effective designs are those that are simple and straightforward. It shows us that sometimes less truly is more. Is this video sparking joy? Continue the experience. Hit subscribe, thumbs up, and ring the bell for more delightful moments. Ready for more joy? Let's jump back in. Now let's talk about how to earn money thanks to this book. The knowledge and inspiration you gain from this book can be applied to various income-generating ventures. You can start your own graphic design business, creating logos, posters, or websites for clients. Another way to earn money is by selling your designs. You can create a portfolio of your work and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Your designs could be printed on t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. You can also offer your services as a freelance graphic designer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With the skills and techniques you've learned from the book, you'll be able to offer high-quality work that clients would be willing to pay for. Blogging or vlogging about graphic design is another way to earn money. You can share the knowledge you've gained from the book, along with your own experiences and insights. With enough followers, you can earn through advertising revenue and sponsorships. To wrap up, the Graphic Design Idea Book, inspiration from 50 masters, is more than just a source of inspiration. It's a guidebook that can help you hone your skills, ignite your creativity, and open up income-generating opportunities. Dive into the book, learn from the masters, and turn your passion for graphic design into a profitable venture. Still on board? Your patience is about to yield dividends. Dive into a free ebook and reveal the framework of the prime online business ready for action today. And guess what? The revelations don't stop there. Beyond this guide, a spellbinding 15-day challenge is set to unfold, bespoke crafted for this digital expedition. Embark with unparalleled mentorship, breakthrough insights, and a suite of resources set to elevate your online trajectory. Feel the anticipation? Delay no more. Engage with the link in the description pronto and set forth on your path to e-commerce prominence. As we conclude today's digital feast, I'm eager to taste your culinary reviews. Cooked up success with the method I served? Seasoning it with your thoughts? Plate your comments below. And if you have a recipe question, just sprinkle it in. I'm here with my chef's hat, ready to assist. Your flavorful feedback whips up our menu for next time. Did today's gourmet advice tantalize your taste buds? Smash that like button like it's a juicy garlic. Craving for more delicious content? Subscribe and ring the dinner bell for a continual feast of knowledge. Be the first to savor every new dish served hot. Before you grab your takeout, did you notice the video simmering on your screen? It offers another secret sauce you won't want to miss. Dive fork first, and let's continue feasting on success together. Until our next culinary adventure.